Hey guys, so wow, that was really good timing. Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. This is recorded straight after the last one. So yeah, not like straight after, but like a few minutes after. So as you just saw, the nomads are having trouble getting across, and that's because of the river, I'm guessing. So what I'm going to do is either they're spawning on the river, which I can't stop, or they are spawning on the other side and they won't be able to reach. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make not a fancy path, but like a normal path, just so they can get across. But like I don't know where the border is, so I'm just gonna like I know where it is, like not fully, but like I know it's a certain amount of blocks away from the center, but not fully. I kind of want to get replay mod because that's actually a mod that's possible for me to get. But I don't know if it can be played on 1.15. I'll check into that. Yeah, like I said, this is played right after the last one. I don't think you can use mods in Optifine. Maybe I'm wrong. Where is this even? Oh yeah, this is still in my village. So, if you don't know how this mod pack works, nomads can only spawn on the outsides of villages. That means, like, they can, well, not like the outside, but like the line, so, in the last video, there was a blue line around, right? They can only spawn in that line area. Anyway, I would actually like some nomads, because then I can start getting what I want, and that's a... What's it called? God, I'm dumb. A... lumberjack, Jesus. What I do... Oh, I forgot. I got a survival chest. God, that would have been good to know before. Any acacia saplings? No. I'd rather have acacia saplings than acacia wood. But oh, actually, I'll take the torches though. Okay, I want to see. Not on my acacia logs, but on something. If I can strip wood. Wait, I can do it now. I can just see. You can't strip wood. Oh, that's annoying. When did they add that? 1.13, I'm guessing? I don't know. I haven't really... Like I said, I've never played this version. Whoa, light. Yeah, I'm definitely improving that building. Not today. Not this video. That's... My main job is to actually start the village. I find it funny when YouTubers have their, they have, like, a part of the video where, like, and then they just repeat themselves. It's because, like, they said something they didn't, wrong, and then they want to repeat themselves, but they meant to edit it out, but they don't. But I don't even use editing, so there's no point in doing that. Yeah, here's the border of my village. So, if I might actually go around here, because then I can see. I need cows, though, right? I might not kill cows, because I'm not even finding any. Yeah, so they can only spawn on the outside of my village, and not... So, they only spawn around here and stuff. Which isn't actually that good. But yeah, they will only spawn on the outside of my village. In early days in the... Oh, it's almost nighttime. Early morning. Yeah, it's almost nighttime. Yeah, this is a very flat line. Anyway, oh yeah, it's almost night. Okay. I'm gonna have to kill some cows, because there's literally no way for me to bring them back. Well, like this... Oh, here. See, if this one here, right? Oh, cows! Oh, there's actually quite a few, but they got despawn anyway. I just realized, yeah. So I'm just gonna kill all of them. Bam. Don't forget, guys, I still have keep inventory on. Okay, I'll keep... actually, I need to kill all of them. They won't even be here when I come back, I don't think. Oh, wait, they might. Do animals without names respawn? Stay alive? Oh, that's a good question. Okay, I'm just gonna keep building across. So, yeah, they'll spawn around here, right? And then they'll be able to walk past. So, hopefully tomorrow in Minecraft, not today, in real life. What? Okay, that made no sense. Hopefully soon, I'll be able to get villagers walking across. And then, yeah, that would be good. Because I do not want to be the one doing all the chopping. Like I said, I've never used 1.12 before. I really only started back on Minecraft back in 1.14. My first video was my first time playing Minecraft Java. And I have gotten better at building. Most of my early builds are just boxes. It's just easier that way, you know? You don't want to have a mega build for your first build. You want something basic, you know? Anyway, I also want to have a bedroom. That's something I need to get done. But it's kind of hard to have a bedroom when you only have one bed. It's just I don't have any beds, but I do. Okay, I'm not gonna. The frick was that? Ouch. Okay, we're all safe in here, right? I know you guys aren't very happy, but that's okay. I'll get you guys a bedroom, just not yet. Actually, yeah, they're gonna want bedrooms. How about this? I'll go get them beds. I'll destroy this tree. And then I'll add the item frame to this building for now, so then they can get some sleep, because they won't be very happy. I already had food on me. Anyway, I need to kill more sheep. I'm always slaughtering sheep. I'm gonna need to kill 6. This is what I haven't gone mining yet, so that's probably a priority I should probably get on, but I do want to start my village before going deep into the mines. Yeah, I'm slow. Wait, how much damage does this do? 7. How come it does 7? That's how much a giant sword does. Maybe I'm crazy? How come it does 7? I want you to kill 3 gray sheep. So I'm just so confused. Oh, hi, merchant. I don't even have money. Okay, I need to find a gray sheep. Because white sheep, right? Right. I'm just gonna kill white sheep. It's easier. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the gray one. See, guys, this is not kid friendly. We murder sheep. 1 like equals another dead sheep. That's what you're into. Okay. This is an amazing village, guys. Leave a like if you're liking. Yeah, I make sense. Anyway, so here's a merchant. Where are the? Oh my god, you are my favorite chicken. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Bam, bam, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Okay, no, that's done. Excuse me, merchant. Okay, so that's 2 beds, but I want my own bed. Oh, okay, this is my bed, then. How come it's red, though? I don't understand. Maybe it's because it's vacant, but that means it's taken over. No. How come they're yellow? Who peed in my beds? Okay. Oh. Sorry, guys. How come this isn't working? Maybe it needs to be its own building. They didn't take my beds before though. Why is it red? How come they dyed my beds? You gotta mean. Isn't this a nice house, guys? Isn't this a nice house? Leave a like if you would live here. Leave a dislike if you would live here. Leave anything if you would live there. Oh, and while you're down there, you might as well subscribe. Jesus, this video has gone fast. We're already 10 minutes in. Wow, this would be a very boring video. Well, I mean, I'll still upload it so people don't say, "Oh, you cheated." Oh, sorry. Wait, why are you guys all friggin' cake people? Oh wait, I'm reading that. Okay, well you have nothing, and then you. Okay, you have druid thing. You are my lumberjack. Go do lumbering. Yeah, okay. You guys, you have an axe. Just go start cutting wood, and then bring it back to the storage. Do I realize that I don't have enough bed for all the villagers? Yes. What am I going to do about that? Yes. Yes, that's my final answer. I don't know. I mean, I'm probably just jumping right into this, and I mean, these buildings are awful looking. Like, right now. Why is that so loud? Okay. Okay, these are now sleepable in. What the frick? Okay, are you getting wood? Oh, yes! Oh, that's him cutting the wood. Okay, yeah, you can do that. Thank you, man. Okay, that's done. That works out fine. What are you? You're nothing. You're useless to me. Go away. I might want to start rebuilding the town hall. Like I just wanted this for basics, you know, so I can just. Yeah, can you cut that tree for me? Okay, well, he's gonna take a while, so. Well, what are you mad at? Wait, what are you mad at? You're dumb? That's why you're mad? Oh, they're gonna need food. Oh lord, they are gonna need food. Is he gonna just put any food in there? They're not gonna want raw. I'm going to have to go get some cobblestone and coal. I'll just use charcoal from the guy. Lumberjack, Jesus. This is my mine. Of course I might run into diorite. There's nothing wrong with diorite, I'd just rather have stone. Hopefully I'm not gonna mine the granite, I don't need it. Okay, one more stone. Okay, and then I'm just gonna turn the logs into charcoal. And then yeah. That axe cutting is really loud though. Where is he? Where is he? Did he stop cutting this building? With this? Where is he? Okay, so how much wood has he gotten? Okay, I'm gonna. I can't take stuff out of his inventory. I gotta wait for him to put it back in the storage. Okay, I'll just grab. Excuse me. Yeah, I did your job for you. You broke your axe? Okay, at least he's going back to the storage to get a new one, hopefully. Bam. Here you go, buddy. Yeah, do you want me to drop you one or something? Or... It's in the storage. Yeah, take this.